before you worry about your kidney numbers. Pause. Your last test may not have shown the full truth. And doctors are now moving to a new check that reveals what the old one completely missed. For years, creatinine has been the main number everyone depends on. But here's the shocking part: you can have a normal creatinine level and still have early kidney damage developing right now. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the new test that finally exposes your real kidney status. If you're over 40, diabetic, hypertensive, or confused by your results, this is the clarity you've been waiting for. Before we continue, drop the city you're watching from, and hit the subscription button. It helps us reach more people who truly need this. Alright, let's get into it. So your next kidney test gives you accuracy, not a false sense of security. Now let's talk about the new test doctors are turning to: cystatin C, increasingly seen as a gold standard marker. Unlike creatinine, it's not heavily influenced by muscle mass, age, or hydration, which makes it a more reliable indicator in many people. When you combine cystatin C with your estimated GFR, EGFR, you get a far more accurate picture of kidney function. This isn't just theory, the latest research backs it up. A 2023 study of 1,783 patients found that when doctors switched from creatinine-only EGFR to cystatin C-based EGFR, about 27% of patients shifted to a worse CKD stage, while 7% moved to a better stage. More recently, a 2024 analysis from the STOP-ACE trial showed that cystatin C EGFR closely matched creatinine-based EGFR in advanced CKD, reinforcing it as a strong alternative, especially in cases where creatinine is less reliable. Another study published just now found that cystatin C predicted risk of death and cardiovascular events more precisely than creatinine in people with mild to moderate CKD. If your creatinine has ever been borderline or confusing, this part is critical. Using both creatinine and cystatin C together can uncover kidney decline much earlier, giving you a real chance to act fast, before things get serious. Kidney damage doesn't always announce itself. In fact, early decline is almost always silent. You can feel perfectly fine, drink water, eat normally, and still have your kidneys losing function slowly every day. The real danger is that by the time traditional symptoms appear, swelling in your legs, fatigue, or high blood pressure spikes, significant damage has already occurred. Left unchecked, early kidney decline can lead to chronic kidney disease, cardiovascular complications, and in some cases, the need for dialysis or transplant years earlier than expected. This silent progression is why relying on creatinine alone can be so risky. Many people are reassured by a normal lab result, while their kidneys are quietly deteriorating. But here's the good news: with the right testing and early interventions, you can catch decline before it becomes serious and, in many cases, slow it or even reverse the damage. The moment you know your real kidney status, you can start protecting them immediately. First and foremost, hydration is key. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps your kidneys flush out toxins efficiently, but avoid overdoing it, as balance is essential. Next, control your blood pressure and blood sugar. High blood pressure and uncontrolled blood sugar are the top silent killers of kidney health. Simple daily habits like monitoring your numbers, taking medications as prescribed, and reducing excess salt and sugar can make a huge difference. Diet changes can be simple and effective. Focus on kidney-friendly foods, fresh vegetables, moderate protein, and limiting processed foods and excess sodium. Small, consistent adjustments often have the biggest long-term impact. Here's the most empowering part: you can reverse early decline when you know the truth. Early detection combined with these actionable steps gives your kidneys the best chance to recover and function optimally. Once you get your cystatin C and EGFR results, understanding them is critical. Think of your kidney health in 3 zones. Green zone: your kidneys are functioning well. Maintain hydration, balanced diet, and regular checkups. Yellow zone: early decline is present. Immediate lifestyle adjustments, hydration, blood pressure control, and kidney-friendly foods can slow or reverse damage. Red zone: significant impairment. Medical follow-up is urgent to prevent further progression. Knowing which zone you're in gives you a clear action plan instead of guessing or relying on a single misleading number. But before we end, let me reveal the one mistake that can make even this test useless. Many people unknowingly compromise their test results by going in dehydrated. Even mild dehydration can skew your cystatin C and EGFR readings, making your kidneys look healthier than they actually are. The fix is simple: drink water consistently for at least a few hours before your test, avoid extreme diets, and follow your doctor's preparation instructions carefully. And if you've found value so far, make sure to hit the subscription button and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss more research-backed tips that can literally save your kidney health. Now that you understand the new kidney test, how to interpret your results, and the steps you can take immediately, you have clarity and control over your kidney health. Your kidney health is not guesswork anymore. You can take action, protect your kidneys, and prevent silent damage before it becomes serious. Remember, early detection combined with the right lifestyle changes gives you the power to reverse or slow decline. Stay consistent, stay informed, and stay proactive. You have the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunity to protect your kidneys, and that is real empowerment.